Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing Panda VPN and preparing Capcut. Do this now. Once the VPN app is installed, sign in or create an account so you can connect immediately. Make sure Capcut is closed while you set permissions. This prevents connection conflicts. Also enable background data and allow network access for both apps so routing works. Once done, restart the device quickly to clear stale network sessions. This makes the next steps predictable and reduces troubleshooting later. Now configure Panda VPN for Capcut. First, select a server region that unlocks the Capcut feature you need. Location matters for content availability. Then pick a faster protocol like UDP or automatic. If you notice drops, switch to TCP for stability. Enable the kill switch and auto-connect so Capcut's traffic won't leak if VPN disconnects. Once settings are saved, connect and wait for the status to show secure. Make sure your IP and DNS reflect the chosen region before opening Capcut. With Panda VPN connected, open Capcut and load your project. You should now access region-specific assets and export normally. If export or upload stalls, disconnect then reconnect to a different server or switch protocol, because routing is often the cause. Make sure Wi-Fi assist or data saver features are off so background uploads complete. If problems persist, clear Capcut cache, restart the app, and try again. Only reinstall Panda VPN as a last resort. Quick tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.